Unlike most rivals, BMW actually listened to X1 owners and fixed every single complaint in the 2026 model. If you've been frustrated by entry-level luxury SUVs that nickel and dime you with expensive option packages just to get basic features, the 2026 X1 doesn't force you to choose between looking cheap or spending a fortune on options. This X1 comes genuinely well-equipped from the base price, proving you don't need to drain your bank account to get a premium SUV that actually feels premium. Let's check it out. Bold and aggressive styling. Here's a problem that plagues most compact SUVs. They look small and cheap, broadcasting to everyone that you bought the entry-level model. That awkward economy car trying to be an SUV vibe kills curb appeal and makes owners feel like they settled for less. The X1 solves this completely. The design team engineered proportions that hide the model's compact dimensions, giving this SUV a presence that punches well above its actual size. Stand next to one in person, and you'll notice how the 177-inch length somehow reads as much larger than it actually is. The signature kidney grille sits prominently between slim LED headlights that stretch horizontally across the nose. This wide, low stance creates an aggressive look that most competitors can't match. Park next to a Mercedes GLA or Audi Q3, and the X1 looks more expensive, more substantial. At the rear, three-dimensional L-shaped taillights make a statement that's impossible to miss. For 2026, BMW addresses another frustration: boring color options. Night dusk blue and dune gray join the palette as new options. Frozen Portimao blue and Vegas red round out the additions. These carefully chosen shades enhance the X1's athletic proportions and let you express personality rather than blending into generic crossovers. Of course, aggressive styling means nothing if the powertrain can't back up those bold looks, which brings us to what's happening under the hood. Powertrain. Anyone who's driven an underpowered compact SUV knows the frustration. Merging onto highways becomes stressful. Passing slow traffic requires planning 3 exits ahead. That weak, breathless feeling ruins the ownership experience and makes every drive feel like work rather than enjoyment. BMW eliminates that problem completely. Under the hood sits a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 241 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Peak torque arrives at just 2,000 RPM and holds steady through 4,500 RPM, creating a wide, accessible power band that makes the X1 feel responsive in real-world driving situations. The X1 xDrive 28i hits 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds. More importantly, that acceleration translates to confident highway merging, quick passing maneuvers, and the ability to keep up with faster traffic without drama. Power routes through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The DCT delivers quick, smooth gear changes during spirited driving while remaining refined enough for daily commutes. Standard all-wheel drive distributes power through BMW's xDrive system, which means traction stays planted whether you're navigating wet pavement, light snow, or gravel roads. Here's where the X1 gets impressive. It delivers all this performance without destroying your fuel budget. The EPA estimates 24 miles per gallon city, 33 miles per gallon highway, and 28 miles per gallon combined. That means fewer gas station stops and the ability to drive 400+ miles on a single tank. That base powertrain delivers solid performance, but some drivers need more than solid. They need exhilarating. That's where things get seriously interesting. M35i. Some buyers don't just want adequate performance, they're tired of SUVs that handle like appliances, delivering transportation without any emotional connection or driving excitement. That's where the X1 M35i enters the picture, transforming the compact SUV into something genuinely quick. The same 2.0-liter Turbo 4 receives significant upgrades, pushing output to 312 horsepower. That 71 horsepower increase makes a substantial difference behind the wheel, turning mundane acceleration into exhilarating launches. The M35i rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds. That's quicker than many sports cars from a decade ago. The quarter mile disappears in 13.4 seconds at 104 miles per hour, proving the M35i has legs beyond just initial acceleration. But the M35i package goes beyond horsepower increases. Most powerful SUVs accelerate quickly, but handle like boats, wallowing through corners. BMW's M division fitted this model with adaptive M suspension, which transforms the X1's handling characteristics. Select Comfort mode for daily driving, and the ride remains composed. Switch to Sport Plus, and the suspension firms up considerably, reducing body roll to the point where the X1 feels more like a hot hatch than a crossover. M Sport brakes come standard. The system hauls the M35i down from 70 miles per hour in just 162 feet, giving drivers confidence when aggressive braking becomes necessary. The mechanical limited slip differential represents another key upgrade that solves front-wheel torque steer that yanks the steering wheel during hard acceleration. This hardware distributes power between the front wheels more effectively, resulting in reduced torque steer and more predictable handling. Visual upgrades set the M35i apart. Unique exterior trim pieces, aggressive fascias, and M-specific badging announce this variant's performance intentions. Inside, sport seats provide additional bolstering to keep occupants in place during spirited driving. Speaking of the cabin, all that performance hardware would be wasted if the interior felt cheap or uncomfortable, which is why what BMW did inside deserves serious attention. Interior. Most compact SUVs force you to choose. Either you get cheap-looking hard plastics everywhere, or you pay luxury prices for materials that actually feel premium. That compromise means entry-level buyers feel like they're settling for less every time they slide behind the wheel. The X1's cabin immediately separates itself from this frustrating reality. The dashboard flows horizontally across the cabin, creating a sense of width that makes the space feel larger than its actual dimensions. That horizontal flow eliminates the cramped feeling that plagues smaller SUVs. Soft-touch surfaces cover high contact areas like the dashboard top, door panels, and center console. Textured metal speaker grills add visual interest, while available eucalyptus wood trim brings warmth. Front seats provide excellent support with multiple adjustment options, including power controls and memory settings. Heated seats come standard across the lineup, addressing a common complaint from previous model years. The rear seat offers genuine usability for adults, not just children. Legroom measures generously for the segment, allowing passengers over 6 feet tall to sit comfortably. The 40-20-40 split-folding rear bench provides flexibility when hauling cargo. Cargo capacity reaches 25.7 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 57.2 cubic feet with the second row folded, while wireless charging keeps smartphones topped up without cables, while multiple USB ports ensure everyone stays connected. The quality interior sets a strong foundation, but it's the technology and safety features where BMW really addressed owner complaints. Features. Here's a frustrating reality with many entry-level luxury vehicles. The base model comes so stripped down that it feels like punishment. BMW loaded the 2026 X1 with standard equipment that would have been optional extras just a few years ago. The standard active driving assistant package includes frontal collision warning, active blind spot detection, and lane departure warning. These systems work seamlessly in the background, monitoring for dangers. Automatic emergency braking can detect pedestrians and react faster than human drivers. For $500, the Driving Assistance Plus package adds adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality and active lane centering. This combination makes highway driving significantly less tiring by maintaining set speeds and keeping safe following distances. The $1,700 Driving Assistance Professional package takes things further, with traffic jam assist, emergency stop assist, and hands-free driving. These advanced features position the X1 at the cutting edge of driver assistance technology. Premium package buyers receive a head-up display that projects key information onto the windshield. Built-in navigation provides turn-by-turn directions without relying on smartphone connections. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. A 360-degree camera system makes parking foolproof. All these features sound expensive, but here's where BMW surprised everyone with the 2026 X1's pricing strategy. Pricing. The 2026 BMW X1 xDrive 28i starts at $44,000, including destination charges. That base price delivers a genuinely well-equipped premium compact SUV with standard all-wheel drive, the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and impressive safety technology. Step up to the M35i and the starting price rises to $53,000. That $9,000 premium buys substantial performance upgrades including the more powerful engine, adaptive M suspension, M sport brakes, and distinctive styling elements. Compare those numbers to key competitors and the X1 presents strong value. The Mercedes-Benz GLB costs more while delivering less engaging driving dynamics. The Audi Q3 prices similarly, but lacks the X1's polished chassis tuning. A well-equipped xDrive 28i with the Driving Assistance Plus package and Premium package still costs less than $50,000 $50,000, delivering genuine premium SUV capability without breaking into truly expensive territory. The M35i can climb past $56,000 when fully loaded. That might seem steep, but consider what buyers receive: 312 horsepower, adaptive suspension, upgraded brakes, and handling that rivals dedicated sports sedans. The 2026 BMW X1 proves that listening to customers actually works. BMW took every major complaint and solved them, creating a compact SUV that looks expensive, drives with genuine enthusiasm, and comes properly equipped from the base price. The styling hides its compact dimensions. The powertrain delivers responsive acceleration and impressive fuel economy, while the M35i transforms into a genuinely quick performance machine. The interior feels premium with quality materials. Standard features like wireless charging, keyless entry, and comprehensive safety systems eliminate the nickel-and-dimed feeling. Starting at under $44,000, the X1 delivers genuine premium SUV capability at a price that won't destroy your budget. But the great thing about today's market is that even mainstream competitors offer genuine luxury. If you want an SUV that's affordable but looks and rides like a premium vehicle, then make sure to check out our video about the Mazda CX-50 you can now see on the screen. Apparently, owners of this Mazda get furious every time when asked to sell.